Hi, we're Nick and Kendra Zepnick.
We've been part of the Augustine Academy community since our daughter was in kindergarten. We're going on our third year, and we have so many wonderful things to say about the school.
The first thing that overwhelmed us about the Augustine Academy was the welcoming community we experienced. It really started with Kendra attending an open house years ago. And since then, we knew we had to send our daughter to the Augustine Academy.
Yeah, it has been a commitment for our family. We live pretty far. We drive over 40 minutes to send our daughter, and I can say we are into our third year, and it is worth every minute of the drive. It has just far surpassed our expectations of what school could be for her. The combination of the hybrid model of getting to do home days and experiencing that with her, and dropping her off to such a wonderful environment with teachers who know her so well, has just been the most incredible experience for our family.
Something we were really looking for in a school was somewhere where the Christian worldview permeated everything that the school does. And we really found that at the Augustine Academy, whether it be from chapel in the mornings to recitation that the students are doing to, really art projects. It's in everything the school does, and that's really important to us.
Yeah, it is just such a foundation for such the rich curriculum that they provide the kids. It has just so exceeded our expectations. The community too, I tell a lot of people that we originally were drawn to the school for their really unique approach and getting to do home days with her and have the school experience, but what has really kept us has been the wonderful community and the families who are all there, who want the same wonderful things for their children.
And we've made a lot of personal friends of other parents that we met first in orientation weekend years ago. We now are over at their house on the weekends and on holidays. So we're thrilled to be a part of the Augustine Academy community, and we would very much welcome you at an upcoming open house.
Yes, highly encourage. We would highly encourage you to attend an open house, see what the school is about, really get a chance to learn why they are so unique in what they do, and it'll be such a blessing to your family like it has been to ours.